Hi guys and welcome to Learn with Nia. So you've made a video, edited it down, and now you're thinking, is it too short? Is it too long? Will people even watch this? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today I'm going to help you figure out how long your YouTube video should be, especially if you're a beginner or over 40 and just starting out like me. Let's clear up some of the confusion and find that sweet spot that works for you and your audience. Let's get straight to it. There's no perfect length for any video, but there is a sweet spot depending on your goal. So if you're just starting, like me, most creators aim for videos between 5 to 10 minutes long. That's long enough to give value, but short enough to keep attention. And it's easier for you to film and edit as well. Now you might hear people say, now longer videos get more watch time. That's true if people stay to watch. But as beginners, it's not just about length, it's about retention. It's better to make a 6-minute video that people will watch 5 minutes of than a 20-minute video that people will watch 3 minutes of. Okay, so start with what you can handle. Focus on being clear and helpful, and don't worry about stretching out the time. You'll get better at holding attention as you go along. As your channel grows and you build trust with your viewers, you can start going longer, maybe 12, 15, 20-minute videos. Because longer content is great for tutorials, storytelling, or deep dives into things. But the key is that you have to earn that time. So think about your audience. Are they learning something? Are they engaged? If the answer is yes, then the length doesn't matter as much. For me, most of my talking head videos, which is what this is now, are about 6 to 12 minutes long. Long enough to share value, but short enough that I can film, edit and upload consistently. As I grow, I might go longer. But for now, this length feels good, and that's the point. Find what feels good for you. So whether your video is 3 minutes or 13, remember, focus on value and not just time. If your content helps someone, makes them smile, teaches them something, or just makes them feel seen, then you've nailed it. Let me know in the comments below, how long are your videos right now? And are you happy with that length? I'd love to hear your experience. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I'm here to help, and I'll see you in the next one.